It's fresh, savory, and healthy. Hey guys, welcome to Amy's Kitchen. This is Amy and that's Richie. Richie. We are here to make some friends and share cooking skills. Yay! Today, let's cook stir-fried chicken breast with broccoli. Its Chinese name is 鸡胸肉炒西兰花. It's fresh, savory, and healthy. Super easy to make. Look, broccoli, 西兰花, chicken breast, 鸡胸肉, garlic, 大蒜 are prepared. Cooking oil, 油, soy sauce, 生抽, oyster sauce, 蚝油, black pepper powder, 黑胡椒粉, starch, 淀粉 will be needed. Now let's get started. Add a spoonful of soy sauce, 生抽, add a little black pepper powder, 黑胡椒粉, and a little starch, 淀粉. Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. Richie is playing outside and waiting for lunch. Add a little cooking oil to boiled water. Add broccoli to boiled water, 西兰花. Blanch it for 1 minute. Take it out and put it in a plate. Heat the pot and add oil. Add chicken breast, 鸡胸肉. Let it set first, then flip it until both sides turn white and are nearly cooked. Add garlic, 大蒜, and stir fry it. Add broccoli, 西兰花. Add a little oyster sauce, 蚝油. Stir fry it for a minute. It's done. Wow, it looks great. Please try it. It's lunchtime. It tastes so great. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.